Hey, this is Chase with SLE Equipment. You can find us in Antioch, Tennessee, 20 minutes south of Nashville, Tennessee, or you can call us at 615-641-7720. Today, I'm on this Toro TimeCutter HD MyRide series. What you can see, what I was doing in the front, I was trying to show you the adjustable shock about whenever you have this machine. This MyRide is a big reason why you're going to purchase this machine. It makes the ride really comfortable. And if you're out there for a long time, which with a 60-inch deck, you know, you're going to be out there for a while. You want to make sure your ride's more comfortable. I just want to display that for you. On this machine, like I said, it's a 60-inch cut. That's going to be a 10-gauge steel deck. You're going to have scalp wheels on your left, right hand side, and right in the middle. On the side of this deck, you're going to see that you have a deck spout. Your lawnmower comes with a deck spout with a quick connect for a water hose, so you can blow your deck out real easily to clean it. You have your cup holder on your left hand side with your fuel tank. On the back of this machine, you'll see with the MyRide, the suspension system is adjustable for whichever you need to go. That one just flew down. This has the Toro V-Twin 24.5 commercial Toro engine. That's for your air filters right there. On your right hand side, you have your dipstick. You also have an oil filter on the right hand side. Behind this machine, you have a hitch kit right here that you can, well, it comes with spots for the hitch kit. It goes right there. I'm doing it. And then on your right hand side, you have a battery cover. This covers your battery to where it can't be weathered. You got your 12-volt battery hookup right here with your PTO that engages the blades. You have your choke. You have your throttle, and you have your electronic key switch right there. Your hour meter is right there on the right hand side. There's another deck quick connect on the back of the deck right here. So like I said, you got one on the front right hand side, one on the back left hand side to hook up to your water hose to clean out underneath your deck. This machine is on my website. You can look at this one, and similar models to this one would be like a MZ series Husqvarna, and I have plenty of those on there too. If you have any questions, feel free to give a sales guy a call at 615-641-7720, or you can look us up on our website at sleequipment.com.